안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 윈입니다. 이것은 Subslider.com입니다. 네, 채널에 다시 오셔서 환영합니다. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Subslider.com and welcome. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna show you how I style my teeny weeny afro. So some of you might know that about a year ago I cut my hair and I have been on a short haircut for like a year now. So this is more like a new growth, and my previous hair was actually colored and I still have highlights of those colors on my hair. So this is a new growth and my hair is still very short, but I want to show you guys my quick go-to hairstyle even when my hair was longer. This is the kind of hairstyle you literally see me with all the time that my natural hair is out. I will be using this water and conditioner mix. So I'm gonna use this on my hair to first of all moisturize my hair. Alright, so I don't want to put too much because oh my god, my glasses are not blurred. I don't want to put too much on the hair because if you like, my hair is a 4C hair and we're very prone to shrinkage. Normal humidity can shrink our hair. Normal humidity can shrink the hair, like it's going to shrink it and shrink it properly. So I don't want to put too much because I want to see if I can have a little bit of fro. I'll be going with this. This is kind of like a herbal hair oil for men. I kind of like it because of the menthol feeling, and I want to use it to massage my scalp. It's best for me to do it while my hair is in braids because that way I can easily reach the scalp of my head. And some more. Yep. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be using shea butter. So in this shea butter there is hair oil. I mixed it and I whisked it to get this texture. I'm just gonna go in with this shea butter on my hair just to provide extra coating. This is it. I kind of like prefer to do all of these things while my hair is put in beads. It's easier management when I have my hair put in beads. So this way it's easy for me and then I can get to every part of the scalp. So we've got that aside. The next thing I'm gonna do is to take down this tiny looking thingy that makes me look weird. So we take that down. Here's a final look. Let me know what you think in the comment section. How cute is this? Is this cute or cute? Let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!